You might be creating your bar charts like this, but today, I'll be showing you how you can create them in a better way, which looks something like this. Well, if you want to learn how to do it, then stick to the video as we're diving deep into the world of data visualization, specifically focusing on bar charts using two powerful Python libraries, Matplotlib and Seaborn. Before we jump into coding, let's quickly discuss what bar charts are and when to use them. Bar charts are ideal for visualizing categorical data and comparing values across different categories. They're great for showing trends, distributions, and comparisons. So now that you know why we use bar charts, let's head to the screen and learn how to plot them. First thing first, let's make sure we have the necessary libraries imported. So here we have Pandas as PD, Matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, and Seaborn as SNS. So let's run this cell and import them. So in the previous video I have already shown you how you can import a dummy dataset from Seaborn. So let's run the code and load the data. As you can see on the screen, we have imported the tips dataset from Seaborn, and we will try to create some amazing bar charts using the features in the dataset. So let's create a bar chart using Matplotlib first. So I will type plt.bar and pass a column named sex on the x-axis and column tip on the y-axis, and run the cell. Now that's a basic bar chart created using Matplotlib, and we can also do some customizations. So let's change the bar colors to red. So you have a parameter named color where you can give the value as your preferred color. I'll give red and run the cell again. And now we have the red colored bars in the chart. Similarly, you can add titles and other things which we have learned in our previous videos. So let's set a title to this chart. I'll type plt.title and give a title in the quotes. And now we have a title to our plot. So let's go ahead and see how to create a horizontal bar chart. Here we will use the bar h function, so I will type plt.bar h and pass the columns sex and tip. And now we have a horizontal bar chart where now sex is on the y-axis and tip is on the x-axis. So let's go ahead and create some bar plot using Seaborn. I will type sns.barplot. Now pass df sex in the parameter x and df tip in the parameter y. So we have the bar chart, and we also have a hue parameter where we can pass a column name. So I'll pass df day and run it. So now we have different bars representing different days. Unfortunately, plotting these kind of bar plots would be difficult while using Matplotlib, but now that we have Seaborn, things are pretty much simpler. Now let's go ahead and see how we can plot horizontal bar plots using Seaborn. I will copy the above function and just interchange the parameter x to parameter y so that we don't need to use another function, as we used in Matplotlib like plt.bar and plt.barh. So here we use the same function by interchanging the parameter values. Now if I change the hue parameter to df smoker, we can see a detailed information about the customer. Along with these bar charts, we also have a count plot function in Seaborn that plots the frequency count of the categories in the column. So let's go ahead and see how to plot it. I'll type sns.countplot and just pass the column name dfsex, which will return the plot of frequency of male and female in the dataset. If I pass day, we get the frequency count of days. Similarly, you can use any categorical feature inside this countplot function. And there you have it! You've mastered the art of creating bar charts using Matplotlib and Seaborn. Now that you are here and want to learn about other types of plots, you have the videos on the screen. Feel free to watch and learn. Till then, happy coding and thanks for watching.